Lexus IS300 rack and pinion bushing install video. Start by removing all of the necessary hardware to gain access to your rack and pinion. If you are not confident in getting to this point on your own, then we recommend seeking help from a professional. Once your rack and pinion is exposed, you can begin removing all of the stock rubber bushings. Take notice of the wear and tear on your stock rubber bushings. If they look like this, it's a good thing you are replacing them. Now it's time to apply your Formula 5 grease and begin installing the new bushings. Notice the difference in flexibility of your stock rubber bushings and our performance polyurethane bushings. Bushings that are too flexible can be a safety concern for your vehicle. Once the new bushings have been installed, you can begin tightening the original hardware. Don't forget to torque all hardware to factory specs. Make sure to reference the instructions provided with your kit. All Energy suspension products are backed by our 7-year, 750,000-mile warranty.